at a certain point also of your journey, sinasabing mga conyo boys kayo. I mean, ano ang inyong reaksyon? Was that something, did you take, was that pejorative? How'd you take that?
I guess, ganun talaga, when you're in the spotlight, people always have something to say about you.
Tama.
Pero, hindi naman, we're more than what people think of us. Hindi naman namin personality yung pagkahonyo. I guess, nasasabi lang yan tungkol sa amin, po yung naririnig nila yung mga schools na pinanggalingan namin.
Ano ba yung pagkakaintindi nyo ng konyo?
Derogatory.
Derogatory.
Yeah.
Sosyal.
BGC pare.
I'm sorry. Ano na?
BGC pare. Yung mga out of touch.
Pero tama ka dun sa sinabi mo na kahit anong gawin mo, may masasabi at masasabi dahil you become public figures. You had a teaser, poverty porn naman.
No.
Oo. At the other end of the pole, sosyal. Nung nakaraang eleksyon, nahanap niyo ba lahat ng mga politiko na gumamit ng inyong kanta?
Kasi nung una, 'di ba nag-post kami na hindi kami connected sa mga jingles na to or dun sa mga politicians that are using our music as a template for their jingles. Pinost namin 'yon dahil we just wanted to protect our our fans from thinking na nag-endorse kami ng mga taong hindi namin alam yung plataforma.
Tama.
Especially yung nakuhata namin was like LGU na we're even familiar with the place. Mga ganun. So nag-post agad kami na this is the second election that this happened actually. Just reminding everyone na hindi namin ini-endorse ng mga tao na to. Hindi namin alam kung magandang politician ba to o hindi. So we're just disassociating. And pagkatapos nun, siyempre, yan na naman tayo sa mga, naging issue pala to na naman. We said something again and the internet cares. Di namin na-expect na it would reach Comelec and they also advised us, di ba, na to file a complaint. By the time that we were, on this spotlight again, di na namin mahanap yung mga clips or yung mga jingles. Kasi syempre nag-take down agad sila once naging issue. So, in-advise lang kami na legally na dapat maghanap kami ng ebidensya. At nung nawala na at naging it just wasn't feasible anymore for us to gather all this evidence. At least to us, we were happy na naging topic na rin siya sa news.
Tama.
We were able to open up this conversation na decades na siyang ginagamit yung mga music ng mga artists na wala namang permission.
But, looking at it now in hindsight, pag tinitingnan natin, that's the price of fame. You realize it now na may cost ang pagiging tanyag, ika nga.